Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yes, Shanti. So in last class we discussed about the some of the basic concept of SAP and ERP, and also we have gone through some of the concepts, like just we have seen some scenario, right? One scenario.
Yes.
So just I'm sharing my screen. Just a second. Yes, I'm sharing. Is it visible to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And so we started this batch on last of Friday, right? 13th,
Yes, last of Friday.
13th of June. And today we'll go with the org structure. S for org structure. Yes. So to the second session. So and coming to this EWM. So it is again it is SAP EWM is just a second. Yeah. So SAP EWM is dependent on the other modules, right? So like the information which we are going to use in the EWM, so it is going to come from the other modules. So here you can see inbound side it is integrated with the MM side, and for outbound side it is integrated with the SD, SAP SD. Okay. So again, since I told that my EWM is independent on other module, so I need to define the organizational structure of other modules as well. Okay. So first we'll go the one by one. Yes. First we'll go with the S4 side org structure it is. So first I'm going with the FICO organization structure. So in that we are having first. So what is FICO enterprise structure, or we can also say as organization structure of this FICO model. Okay. And again coming to this FICO organization structure, so we are having company and company code and assignments. So like these are the two, company and company code are the organization structure of FICO. First is company, and then after company code. Yes, it is done. So we are going to define this company and company code, and after that we are going to do some assignments regarding this company and company code. Okay, we'll do that later. So the next slide is, so it is organization structure. So and for this we are having plant, store location and purchase organization. These three is going to comes under organization structure. Okay, so each and every model they are having their own org structure. Do you remember what is the org structure of EWM?
Yes.
Can you just help me with that? Can you
I
tell
mean,
me that? Yes. Yeah, no issue. You can just try.
yes. I mean, this having the 4 doors in the inbound side, 2 doors, and outbound side, 2 doors, and having some work center
Hmm.
and storage types, storage bins, storage locations.
Yes.
I think that one.
Yes. And first thing is you tried a very good actually. So like you told the entire picture of EWM. You can say entire picture of warehouse. It's perfectly good for good try. You can say okay, but it is not the org structure. We'll see that. Yeah. So again, what is meant by this SAP EWM? So this is SAP Extended Warehouse Management, and it is going to manage and also optimize the warehouse operations. And what are the operations we are having? Inbound,
Inbound,
internal.
midbound, and outbound.
Yes. So it is going to optimize and it is going to control the warehouse management operations. Okay. And also it is going to allow the company to control their warehouse inbound and outbound process and also movement of the goods in the within the warehouse. Yes. And coming to this SAP EWM organization structure, you can see warehouse number, storage type, storage section, and storage bin. These four comes under SAP EWM organization structure. Since I mentioned it is in S4, so no. So what is my EWM org structure?
Warehouse number,
First one is warehouse number. Yes.
storage type,
Okay. Perfect.
storage bin,
You can come in sequence. Storage
section.
section.
Yeah, yeah, right. Storage
Yes.
section and storage bin.
Yes. And what is so how many days we are having this warehouse number? So it is 4-digit warehouse number. We are going to create with 4-digit warehouse number. And what is meant by storage type it is?
It is the type of storage, means
Yes.
location. Yeah, it is categorizing the location of storage.
So yeah, okay. So here you can see assume this is my entire thing as my warehouse. So I'm having doors to my warehouse and staging area, work centers, final storage types, and packing center, outbound side and outbound side staging area and outbound side doors where these things we are going to have right in my warehouse. So everything I'm going to categorize, I'm going to divide, I'm going to denote as a storage type in my warehouse. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So this storage type is nothing but, so you can also say it is a subdivision in my warehouse. It is a subdivision in a warehouse. And also you can see everything in my warehouse I am going to categorize as a storage type. You help me with the spelling. Categorize. Yes. And what is meant by storage section? And it is again, it is a subdivision in the,
Storage type.
yes. So what are the storage sections we are having? So we told in last class, we discussed this one, fast moving, slow moving and non-moving sections. Yes.
Yes.
And what is meant by storage bin?
It is a final address of goods.
Yes, is a smallest addressable place where the goods can be stored. And also you can say the exact location of the product. Yes, it's done. So the next slide is SAP EWM terminologies. So here, just a second. Yeah, and coming to this SAP EWM terminologies. So first you can see we are having put away and also stock placement. And here put away is nothing but what is meant by put away? Do
It
you
is
have any
the,
idea? Yes.
yeah, we are putting the goods from one place to another place.
Yeah, you can say put away is nothing but inbound side. So I am going to putting this iPhone 15 and 16 into this A01 storage type. Okay. So this process is going to call as put away. And this put away we are going to call as inbound side again. Okay. And also put away stock placement, anything we are going to call as. It is a inbound side again. And coming to this stock removal and stock takeaway. And stock removal is nothing but so my iPhone
Outbound.
15 is it is in A01 storage type. Now I am going to pick. So you can also say picking and stock removal or anything you can say. Or stock takeaway. And warehouse request, warehouse task, warehouse order, we'll see that in coming classes. So and what is meant by this warehouse process type?
Moving goods from one place to another place.
Yes, perfect. So to move the product from one place to another place, this warehouse process type is mandatory. Okay, so we'll see this activity in coming class. Okay. And coming to this warehouse operation, so in my warehouse I'm having inbound, outbound and midbound operations. And coming to this SAP EWM simple inbound process, how it is going to flow. So first, creation of purchase order. So in the side it is going to create the purchase order, they are going to create the purchase order, and they are going to create the inbound delivery with reference to the purchase order. So they are going to create the PO and inbound delivery. So this inbound delivery is going to distribute to the EWM side. So it is going to distribute to the EWM side. So in the EWM side, what is the activities I am going to perform in the inbound side? First thing is
Unloading. Yeah.
unloading, goods receipt and put away, right?
Yeah.
Here, when I received the vehicle, so what is the first activity I'm going to perform? Unload,
Unload.
goods receipt, and then after put away.
Put away.
So whether it is work center, anything, it is a simple inbound process. So after doing the goods receipt in the inbound side, so the information it is going to reflect in the S4 side. In the side also it is going to reflect. Okay. So again, how it is going to distribute and how it is going to reflect. So we are having QRFC connections. So based on that, it is going to reflect the information. Yes. And coming to this types of goods received in my warehouse. So I am going to receive from the external vendor, and also I'm going to receive from the production facility, manufacturing facility, and you can say production order, production process, you can say. And I'm going to receive from other plants and store allocation, STOs, and also I'm going to receive from the customer returns. So again, customer returns is nothing but, so I am going to deliver to the customer in the outbound side. I'm going to deliver my product to the customer. So if the customer is not going to satisfy, again is going to return to my warehouse. So I am going to receive from the customer also goods received. Yes. The next one. So how my SAP EWM simple outbound is going to work. So here you can see first creation of sales order. It is outbound side sales order, and creation of outbound is going to happen with reference to this sales order, and it is going to this outbound which is created. It is going to distribute to the EWM, and in EWM what are the activities I am going to perform in the outbound side.
Picking, packing.
Yes, first, yeah, first is picking. I'm going to pack, and then I'm going to load, and I'm going to perform the post goods issue. The same thing I mentioned over here: picking, packing, post goods issue. Yes, and types of goods issue in my warehouse. So I'm going to issue to the customer with reference to the sales order, and also I'm going to issue the cost center, vendor returns, production facilities. So these are the some types of goods issue it is going to happen in my warehouse. Yes, and coming to this midbound process. So like till now we have discussed inbound and outbound process, right? So in midbound process, we are having ad hoc movements, replenishment, and physical inventory, and this rearrangement and slotting is a these are the four topics we are having in the midbound process. But here in our training, we are going to discuss this ad hoc movements, replenishment, and physical inventory. So this again, and coming to this ad hoc movements, so we are going to move like with the help of ad hoc movements, we can move this iPhone 15 from here to here, bin to bin transfer you can say. So bin to bin transfer we can make it, and replenishment. So and coming to this physical inventory, so in my warehouse I am going to cross check, I am going to count, like in my system I can see. So iPhone 16 I'm having 100 quantity. So if I want to count in my physically in my warehouse, so I'm going to use this physical inventory concept. Yes, any questions?
No, nothing.
Yes, then we'll just go with the system process. So first I am going to create the company and company code. So again, I got the server access.
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. So here we are having enterprise structure, and go to the definition, and here we are having financial accounting. Just click on that. So in that we are having define company code. So just click on execute this one, and before this one, just come back. Yeah. First, like this is your SAP menu, SAP Easy Access menu. Okay. So
Yeah,
from here, just go to type SPRO, SPRO, and SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP reference IMG, and here we are having enterprise structure node. Click on that, and I'm going to define the enterprise structure. So I will go with the definition. Just click on that node and go with the financial accounting. Now first thing is I am going with the defined company. So click on execute. So I'm going the new entries. So I'm going to define my own company. So I'm going the new entries. So new entries. So what is my company? Yes, suggest any company with S.
mm.
Yeah.
Samsung.
Yes. So then we'll go with the SACO company. Okay, SACO is my company, and it is a Samsung company. So where it is? So I'll give some street name. You can also give anything. So just it is in Electronic City. And what is the postal code? You can give some 505 something. 505123. And what is the city we are having? So it is in Bangalore. It is in Bangalore. And what is a country? You can go with the F4 help. So you can see this lens button. You can go with that. So and you can select what is the country. So I'm going with the India, IN. Yes. And what is the language?
English.
English is the language. So and the currency is INR. Yes. Enter and save this one. So SASO is my company. So now I'm going to define the company code. So just go with the edit, copy and delete, check company code, go with the execute. So now I'm going to copy, I'm going to edit company code data. So go with the new entries and SACO, SACC, it is already there. SACO is my company code. Again, I'm going the same name and it is a Samsung. And what is the city? I'll go with some electronic, sorry, Bangalore city, right? Bangalore and country is IN, India, and currency is INR, language is English. Enter and save this one with the company. And what is the name I'm going to give? It is a Samsung company, right? Samsung company code. SAC and street is, it is in electronic city. Postal code, some postal code I will give, and it is in Bangalore. Country is India. Region is, and what is the region here? Go with the F4 help. And this Bangalore city in is in which state? It is in Karnataka state. So I'm going the region 10. So and language is English. Just click on continue, copy. So the moment I clicked on copy, so it is telling. So the request. So everything. So this company I'm going to create it. Everything where it is going to save. So you can say this is my TR number, transport request number. Okay. So system is going to save everything. So every customization development it is going to save in this TR. So I'm going to develop in the development server first. So then this particular tier is going to move to the quality in the real time. So this particular tier it is going to move to the quality system. Then after testing is completed, then again this tier is going to move to the production server. So what are the changes you have done in this tier? It is going to replicate in the system in different clients. So if there is no TR here, so you can also go with the create request. Okay. So in the beginning of your server, you are not having any TR. So in that case, click on create request. So you can also give some small description. So EWM customizing. Okay. I'm giving as EWM customizing. I'm going to save. So the moment I clicked on save, the system is created the tier number, right? So everything it is going to save in this tier. I hope it's fine.
Yeah.
So my company is SACO and also my company code also SACO I created same with the same name. So now I'm going to copy from the standard. So click on that. So here we have copy, delete and check company code. We are having the option there. Double click on that. So now copy, click on copy with the company code, from which company code you are going to copy. So you can take any 0001 or 1000 standard company code. I'm going with the 1000, and to my company code SACO is my company code. Just click on continue. And do you want the org data, complete org data you want to copy? Yes, I'm going to copy. Yes, everything. Just click on yes. And what is currency INR? Enter. Yes, no problem. Continue. Continue. Just click on tick. Continue. And do you really want to transport your number ranges? No, I am going to create my own number ranges. So I'm just clicking on no. If you want to click on yes, you can also click. So just I'm going to create the own number ranges. So I'm going to create, I'm going to check no. So here you can see in bottom it is getting loading. So everything like why I'm copying from the standard to my company code. So all the things like all the tables and everything in the background, so which are having to this company code, standard functionality of this company code, it is going to add into my company code. Yes,
Yeah.
just a second. I'll have some water. Yes, still loading. Yes, now just click on continue again. And Sevanti, like how many months of training you have taken for SAP ABAP?
ABAP is, I think 2 months. 2 months.
Okay, okay. And it is also in the same region here itself or somewhere.
No, no, that's other institute.
So like when it is going to copy from the standard to my company code, it is going to take some time as well. Okay, everything like planned company code, purchase organization, you are going to copy from the standard again. Warehouse number as well, storage type, everything. It's taking too much of time.
So from company code is we are taking some standard, right?
Mhm.
So what is that? And behind of standard, what type of tables are there?
So again, like tables is nothing but again related to FICO things. Okay, this
Okay.
in real time we are not going to perform. So as we are practicing in our system, so we are going to perform each and everything like this FICO, MM. So in real time, our part is going to come from this part. So EWM organ structure, we are going to start with this one. So this everything FICO and MM is not going to like it is not in our bucket. Okay. So
Okay.
FICO candidate is FICO consultant. They are going to take care of this everything. So since we are practicing, we are going to do everything.
Okay.
It's taking so much of time. Better we can open one more session. Yes, company code this already exist. Okay, do you really want to transport number ranges? No. Yes, continue. And go the completed activities. You can say my company code 1000 copy to SACO. It is done. We'll open one more session. Better. Yes. So it is done. Then next org structure, right? So go with the logistics general, and here we are having define plant. Click on that. Go with the new entries, and I'll go with SCA01 is the plant. So it is a Samsung first plant. So calendar year, Indian calendar, enter and save this one. So it is asking enter the company and what is the name? It is Samsung first company, right? First plant, sir. And search term, I'm going with the SA01 is a search term. And what is the street? It is in Whitefield. Some postal code I'll give, and it is in Bangalore. Country is India and region is 10 Karnataka, and the language is English. Just click on enter, continue. Yes, no, just click on continue. Yes, it is done. Save this one. Yeah, just come back. So now I'm going to copy from the standard to my plant again. On that, just go with the copy, delete and check plant. Now click on copy. So and copy from where? Can take 0001 or 1000. Or if it is not there again, so you can also go with the 1710. Okay, anything can go with that. I'm going 0001. So to my plant SA01. Yes, continue. Don't want to transport my number ranges, click on no. So it is taking time. So meanwhile, we'll go with the one more configuration /n spro. Go to SAP reference IMG. So where I can see, go with the infrastructure definition. So now my definition of plant is going on. Okay. So now the next one is storage location, right? MMR structure. In that, the next one is storage location.
Storage.
So we are going with the again storage location. So go to materials management, and here we are having maintain storage location. Click on execute. And what is my plant? SA01, right? enter. So for this SA01, there is no store location. I'm going to create new entries. So I'm going to give store location as ROD. Again, ROD is nothing but receive on dock, and then AFS available for sale, and it is PROD, and it is production. So again, what is meant by this ROD, AFS, and PROD production? So again, so in my warehouse, when I'm going to receive to my warehouse, so I'm receiving iPhone 15 and 16, right? So now it is in 9010 storage type. So what is the storage location? It should show in system. So we can say in my EWM system, it is going to show as a 9010. But in my S4 side, it is going to show as ROD. Why? Because it is just received on dock. You can say it is just dock the door, and available for sale. It is nothing but whenever the product is put away is completed, then it is going to show as the storage location. It is going to reflect as AFS. Okay, which is nothing but available for
Available
sale.
for sale.
Yes, and up to here, like up to here, so wherever it is going to show as ROD only. So when you are going to put it into the final storage step, then only it is going to turn to AFS, available for sale. Okay, so this is the concept in the S4 side again. So this store allocation concept again we are not having in the EWM side. We are not having store allocation concept in EWM side. So since we are not having the store allocation concept, so we are having availability group. Okay, in the EWM side we are going to have availability groups. So this ROD and AFS both, so we are going to assign to the availability groups. So this ROD is going to assign to the 001 availability group, and AFS is going to assign with the 002, which is nothing but available for sale. So in the EWM, so when it is going to have the availability group 002, we can assume that so it is available for sale. Okay. So this is the concept in the S4 side. S4 side is nothing but MM side it is. Okay, but in EWM side we are not having the store location concept. This ROD I'm going to assign with the availability group. In the EWM we are having, so we are going to assign with the store location with availability groups. I hope it's good.
Yeah, and can you move the screen slowly because I'm so confusing from before screen and next screen what is going there?
Sorry, this Excel sheet.
No, no, not Excel sheet in the server. So you
Okay,
fastly
okay,
doing
yeah,
whatever the things.
okay, no issue in that. Okay, just like
Yeah,
it is getting copied, right? So like in order to waste our time, just I'm going the new entries. That's it. The next concept. So just it is copying. It is taking some time, right? So just started with the one more configuration. That's it. Okay. Okay, no issue. We'll go with the one by one. If that is the issue. Okay.
yeah,
So it is copied. Now my plant is copied from the is copied. It is done. So what is the next? I'm going to maintain the store location. So you can see in metals management. So we can go with the maintain store location. Just now we maintain the store location. ROD. Yes. ROD, AFS and PROD is the store locations. I just maintained over here. Just give me a second. Just I will come back. Yeah. So now maintain store location. Just click on execute. So yes, this is SA01 is my plan. Just click on and continue. And just I will delete these things and I'm going to save. After deleting everything, just save it and you can move forward. Okay. So I created in my system ROD, AFS and PROD. Up to here it's fine, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Just come back. The next org structure of is maintain purchase organization. Okay. And again go with the new entries, and I will go with the purchase org. SAPO is a purchase org. It's already there. S1PO. Okay, again it is purchase org for S1PO. Enter and save this one. Just click on continue. Yes, it is done. Just give me a second. So I will plug in the charger. Yes. Sorry, is it audible to you?
Yes, I can. It is showing something, looks like something went wrong. Hello? Hello?
Yes, Ravanti, what happened?
Yeah, I don't know. It is showing something. Hold on, looks like something went wrong. We are trying to get back into meetings. It is showing
Yes,
the
the
screen.
same thing for me as well. Yeah, just I'm sharing my screen. I hope it's visible to you now.
Yes.
Yes. Maintain purchase org is completed. So the same thing will maintain here. What is my plant? SA01, right?
Yeah.
Store locations are ROD, AFS and PROD. Then next is purchase org. It is S1PO. I created with S1PO. Then we're having one more org structure. It is SD org structure. So again for SD we are having sales organization.
Odd.
Sorry.
Yeah, same.
Yes. You know this one?
Yes, I have known in above classes.
Okay. Yeah. Sales or distribution channel and division, right?
Yeah,
So anything else it is going to be there? Sorry.
yeah. So sorry, I don't understand.
Like apart from these three, anything is going to be there?
No.
Yeah. Only these three. So now we'll go the sales and distribution node here. So we'll go the define, copy, delete, check sales organization. Click on execute. So here I'm going to define the sales organization. Double click on the define sales org. Go the new entries. So we'll go with SASO. SASO it is already there in my system. I'll go with S1 S4 then. Yeah, it is Samsung sales org. Enter and save this one. So the moment I saved, it is asking the address where my sales org is there. So I will go with the company and it is Samsung sales org and it is S1 SO and where it is. What is the street? I'll give some KR Puram and my postal code. I'll give some any other postal code and it is Bangalore, India and region is 10 Karnataka and the language is English. Now click on continue. Just click on continue. Yes, my sales organization is created. Now just come back. Yes, sales or S1 S4. Just come back. Now I'm going to copy from the standard to my existing one. So copy this one. Go with the F4 help. So again you can also go with 0001 or 1000 or 1710. So I'm going the 1000. So what is my sales or S1 S4?
Zero. And what are the from sales organizations? It is showing some predefined things. And what are those, and how we choose which one is good to our company?
So this one you're telling.
Yeah, yeah.
So here
Mm,
like what are the sales organization we're having in our system, it is going to show. Suppose we created now just now we created with S1 S4, right?
yeah.
So you can also see that S1 S4. Where it is. Yes, S1 S4 Samsung sales org. So like the sales organization which we are having in our system, it is going to show. So in that I'm going to copy from like what are the standard we are having. I'm going to copy from the standard. So here the standard is going to be 0001, 0023 and also 1000. So 1710. Like these are the standard sales organization we are having. Okay. So you can go any of them. Just I'm going the 1000 is my sales org.
Okay.
Okay. So to my sales org S1 SO. Just click on continue. Yes, I want to create continue and I don't want to transport my number ranges. So I'll create my own number ranges. Just click on no. Yes, my sales org is copying from the standard. I don't want to transport number ranges. Continue. So you can see in completed activities, 1000 is copied to S1 S2. Yes, it is done. So what is the next one? Distribution channel. So define, copy and delete. Check distribution channel. Click on execute. So define distribution channel. I will take 01 distribution channel, the standard we are already having. So I am going to take 01 existing one, standard only I'm going to take. Just give me a second. Yes, 01 and go to logistic general, and here we are having define, copy, delete and check division. Click on execute, and division also I'm going to take the standard 01. I'm not going to create the division and distribution channel. So both I'm taking the standard one. So sales org is S1 S4 and distribution channel is 01, and division also I'm taking as 01. Yes, perfect. So now definition of org structure of FICO, MM and SD is completed. Now we'll have the assignments part. So you can just close this one. Yeah, definition is completed, right?
Yes.
And go with the assignments. Click on this assignment node and coming to this financial accounting, go to financial accounting, and here we are having define company code to assign company code to company. Click on execute. So what is my company code? SACO, and for this I'm going to assign my company. What is the company again? SACO, same. So here you can say in my company, so I am going to have n number of company codes. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, the header one is company and the company code. So like for each and every company code, so you can say branches or anything else. I'm going to create one company code for that. So for that, like we can have multiple company codes to one company. So but in my case, I'm just creating one company code and one company here. Enter and save this. The next one is, so it is done. So now go with the logistics general and go with the assign plan to company code. Click on execute. Just go to the position here and click on that position and enter your plant. Your plant is SA01 is my plant. So okay, we cannot see any entry with FA0. Okay, yeah, it is there one entry.
Did
So
you
but
click
it is
on new entries or?
no, just I went to the position. I'm searching
Oh,
for.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Mm.
so my plant is SA01. Sorry, SA01. Enter. So there is a entry with SA01 with the plant 0001. So but it is not having to my company code, right? So I'm going to delete this entry. Yes, it is deleted. Now save it and continue. Now go with the new entries. So what is my company code? SCSCO is my company code, and to this company code my plant is SA01 is my plant. Okay, I assign company code to my plant. Enter and save this one. Yes, it is done. So just close this node and coming to the sales and distribution. So here I'm going to assign my sales organization to company code. Click on execute. So I'm going to search. So go to the position, So enter your sales org. S1 S4 is my sales org. So to this S1 S4, what is the company code we are having? SAC
SAC
CO.
CO, right?
Yes. Enter. Enter. So yes. For this SISO, I assigned with SACO. Enter and save this one. Continue. Yes, it is done. So then next one is assign distribution channel to the sales organization. Click on execute and to my sales organization. So we're not having any entry of this one. Go with the new entries and for my sales organization SY S1 S4, I'm assigning the distribution channel as 01. 01 only, right?
Yes, 01.
But what happened? Someone is deleted this entry, so what? Go to definition, go to sales and distribution, define distribution channel. We can see one. So here assign distribution channel. So S1 S4 to 01. So before that we are having the hide in option. So just they hide it, save it and continue. Yes. Now the next one is assign division to sales organization. Click on execute. So yes, it is not there. Our entry. Go with the new entries and it is S1 SO to my division 01. It is enter and save this. Just come back. It is done. So then next one is set up sales area. Go the execute. It is telling the data is logged by the user. This is the user. So the what I'm going to do. Do you have any idea about this one?
Yeah,
Yes. Where I need to go? It is logged by the some other user. So I need to go to SM12.
yes,
So here enter the username and search. So these are the logs we are having. Select and delete.
delete. Yeah,
Yeah. Now we'll go the setup sales area. There is no entries of my sales or I'm going the new entries. So S1 SO is my sales organization and distribution channel is 01 and division also 01. Enter and save this. So we made the entry. Yes, the next one is assign sales organization distribution channel to my plant. Click on this execute. So we can go with the assign sales or distribution channel. Okay, it is getting time to load. So if you're having n number of entries, then it will take some time to load. It's taking time. So what I will do? So in the next session, just I will go with the next config. Okay, SPRO reference IMG. Is it fine?
Yes.
So we'll see again. Again, it's still loading. Go with the next session assignment, and we are in sales and distribution, and we are in assign sales organization distribution channel to my plant. So we'll see this config after some time. So meanwhile, we'll go to materials management, and here assign purchasing organization to my company code. Click on execute. So go with the position, and what is the purchase organization I'm having? SIPO. Sorry, S1PO is my purchase organization. So to this S1PO, what is the company code? SACO, right? SACO is my company code. I'm going to assign my purchase organization to my company code. Yes, it is done. I'll just come back. Now the next one is assign purchase organization to my plant. Execute. So go with the position. So what is my purchase organization? S1PO, right? Search with this one. Okay, there is no entry of that S1PO. Go with the new entries then. So S1PO is my purchase organization, and what is my plant? SA01 is my plant. Save this one and continue. Now just come back. So we'll go to the previous session. It is still loading. Okay. Yes. So we can close this materials management. Now we'll go the logistic execution. So before going to logistic execution, so we need to define some more things. So here in the same definition of the logistic execution, so we are having define warehouse number. So now we are going the SAP EWM training. So in EWM, so you can see in the name itself it is having extended warehouse management. So before that we are having the model WM warehouse management. So for the WM it is extended. So it is extended to EWM. So again, so we are going to define my WM warehouse number since I am going the it is extended, my EWM is extended to the WM. So I am going to define the WM warehouse number. So in this WM warehouse number, we can create only 3 digit of warehouse number we can create in WM warehouse. So in logistic execution, so we are having define warehouse number. Just click on execute and go with the new entries. So S10, I'll go with the S10 as a warehouse number. Samsung WM warehouse. So again, this WM warehouse number I am going to assign to my EWM warehouse number. So we'll see that configuration in coming classes where we are going to do that exactly. So for now, I just created my WM warehouse number. So again, I am going to copy this WM warehouse number from the standard. So for that, we are having the copy, delete, and check warehouse number. Click on execute. Click on copy. Copy from warehouse number. Again, you can take 001 or 1000. I'm going with the 100. Sorry, 100. To my S10 is my warehouse number. Continue. Yes. Just click on continue. I don't want to transport my number ranges. No. Yeah. Just click on continue. We'll go with the previous one. Don't want to transport. Yes. Yes, it is done. So just come to the previous one. So it get open. So I'm going to assign my sales organization distribution channel to my plant in this node. You remember this one, right? Previous
Yes.
one. Yes. Now I will go to the position. And what is my sales organization? S1, S4. Okay, there is no entry with S1, S4. Go with the new entries. Can go with S1, S4.
Why it is not showing? We have already created that one.
Yes, just be created, but we haven't assigned sales organization distribution channel to my plant, right?
Okay.
So I'm having n number of plants, n number of sales organization. Then how its system is going to understand to this sales organization you are going to assign this plant?
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to assign my SA01 plant to this sales organization and distribution channel. Enter and save this one. Yes, it's done. Just come back. So again, in logistic execution, first in division, so definition and logistic execution, copy from warehouse standard to my warehouse number, it is completed, right? So now I am going the define shipping point. So this it is going to use for the outbound side. What is the shipping point we are going to use? Again, just click on execute. Okay, yeah, go with the new entries. And what is the shipping point? SASP is the shipping point I am going to create. Samsung shipping point. Again, this everything related to SD side, this shipping point, sales organization, distribution channel, everything. Okay, it is saying already there is entry with SASP. So I'll go with S1SP. Just enter and save this one. It is asking the address. Yes. I'll go with echo space is the street, some postal code, Bangalore is the city, India country, and region is Karnataka, and language is English. Just click on enter, continue, save it. It is done. S1SP is my shipping point. So for this again, I am going to copy from the standard. Click on that, go the copy, and the standard is 0001 or 1000. I'm going to take 1000 to my shipping point S1SP. Yes, continue. I don't want to transport the number ranges. No, continue. Yes, only can we have a session for tomorrow?
Yes.
So at morning in IST timings at what time? 6 AC, okay, 6 a.m. or 7.
IST morning. Okay.
Yeah, 6 or 7. Can you confirm? Sorry?
6 is better, I think. 6 is better.
Yeah, okay. So now go with the assignments. So for that again, material management is completed, right? So in this logistic execution, so I'm having assign warehouse number to plant and storage location. Just click on execute this one. Go with the position. I'm going to search with my plant SA01. Enter. There is no entry. I'm going with the new entries. So for my SA01 plant, and what is the store locations I have created? Maintain store locations. ROD, AFS, and PROD we created, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
So like what is the first one? It is ROD, and I'm going to assign this plant and store location to my WM warehouse number. So what is my WM warehouse number?
S1, S0.
S10. It is going to have only
Ah,
three
three
digits.
numbers. Yeah, yeah.
The same way, SA01 to AFS store location with S10 warehouse number, and the same way PROD to S10. Enter and save this. Yes, it is done. The next one is assign shipping point to my plant. It will also take some time. Okay. Now you can see the header one is plant and the item one is, so it is going to assign my plant to shipping point. Now go with the control F, or else you can see find a button, go with that. So in that I am going to search with my plant first. What is my plant? SA01 is my plant. Enter. Yes, it is there. One entry is there. Just double click on that SA01. So in this SA01 plant, I'm going to have my shipping point. S1 SP is the shipping point. It should be there, right? So if it is not there again, you can go with the new entries. Just come down. QRS S1 SP. You can see S1 SP is the shipping point. It is there to my, it is assigned to my plant SA01. Yes. Again, if it is not there, just you can select the plant and you can go with the assign. S- If your shipping point is not assigned, then you can select the plant and you can go with the assign. So here you can select what is the shipping point you want to assign. Just select this checkbox and you can just click on continue. It is going to go. Okay. Yes, up to here we have seen S4 side org structure.
So in the real time, the EWM persons are doing these all things.
No, as I just told, so this everything FICO and MM and SG. So those respective consultant they are going to perform this one. This company and company code is going to perform FICO consultants, and this MM consultant is going to perform MM org structure, and SG consultant are going to responsible for the SG. So our part is comes from the EWM org structure.
Okay.
Okay. So again define WM warehouse number and define shipping point. These are the extra things. So what is the shipping point? S1 SP. S10 is the WM warehouse number. Yes. Yes. Any doubts here to here?
No, I have to practice again.
Yes. So we have seen S1 and org structure. So tomorrow in tomorrow class we can go with the EWM org structure.
Okay.
Yes. We'll see this EWM org structure in next class. Yeah. Any doubts? Anything you want to ask? Any concerns?
No, so in the timings, every day we can go in the morning times. Okay,
You'll
is your
ask me
mo-
about 6
yeah 6. So if you are free in the morning times, I'm okay with that. I can adjust myself.
daily. You tell me.
Yeah, daily.
Actually, again, I'm having some other batches. So it is going
Oh,
from 7 to 8. Two batches I'm
o-
having. Okay.
okay. Tell me your free time, then I will adjust myself. Okay.
So like for this week, we'll go like this only. So like Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll go with the Monday, 6 to 7. Okay.
Okay.
And Thursday, Friday, it is same from 8:30 to same 9:30 to 10 in between. Okay.
Evening.
Yeah.
That Thursday and
Evening.
Friday is evening, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
same like Monday. Only the
Okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday, it is morning session, 6 to 7.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll
Yeah.
check from the next week. So we'll check from the next week. We'll decide on this Friday. So about the next week. Okay. We'll see that.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Slavanti. Thank you for
Yeah.
joining.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Uh,
Bye.
Good morning for you.